The specification of the US Mint is that the mean weight of the pennies is 2.5. Unit of measurement is grams. And we want to find out if we have evidence for these coins that are dated after 1983, if that mean is different. And so that sample size was 37. And they tell us that the mean of those 37 is 2.4991 grams with a sample standard deviation of 0.01648 grams. And so our test statistic, our t-value with 36 degrees of freedom would be to take that x bar minus the mean divided by that sample standard deviation over the square root of 37. And I'm going to get my help by calculating that with my t-test on my calculator.